Hey everybody, breaking news today. The world's top war crimes court just dropped some major bombshells. Arrest warrants have been issued for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, his former defense minister, and the military chief of Hamas. This is in connection to accusations of crimes against humanity tied to the 13-month war in Gaza. Let's break this down. The International Criminal Court, or ICC, has been investigating the situation in Gaza for years. The war we're talking about took place from 2023 to 2024. It was brutal. Thousands of civilians were caught in the crossfire, facing unimaginable hardships. Both sides have been accused of committing serious violations of international law, including targeting civilian areas and using excessive force. So what's the deal with these arrest warrants? What does it mean for the individuals involved and the broader geopolitical landscape? The ICC claims that Netanyahu, his ex-defense minister and Hamas's military chief, committed acts that qualify as crimes against humanity. These include widespread attacks on civilian populations, indiscriminate bombings and other abuses that have left lasting scars on the affected communities. Now the big question is, will these warrants lead to actual arrests? It's complicated. Israel isn't a member of the ICC, which complicates the enforcement of these warrants. Neither is the United States, a key ally of Israel, which further complicates the situation. This makes it tricky for the court to enforce these warrants as they rely on member states to carry out arrests. Netanyahu and his former defense minister are highly unlikely to surrender themselves voluntarily, given their positions and the political climate. As for the Hamas leader, that's another complex situation given the group's stance and location within Gaza, which is under blockade and has limited international cooperation. This news is bound to stir up a lot of reactions globally, from governments to human rights organizations. Supporters of Israel might see this as a biased move by the ICC, questioning the court's impartiality and motives. On the other hand, human rights groups are likely to view it as a step towards accountability, hoping it will lead to justice for the victims. The court's decision could also impact the ongoing peace processes and diplomatic relations in the region, potentially influencing future negotiations. But what does this mean for the people in Gaza and Israel? For those living through the conflict, the ICC's actions bring a mix of emotions. For many, this move by the ICC brings a mix of hope and skepticism. Hope for justice and accountability, but skepticism about whether these charges will lead to any tangible changes on the ground, given the complex political and legal challenges. Public opinion is divided, with some seeing this as a necessary step towards peace, while others doubt its effectiveness. Alright, that's the latest on this breaking story. It's a developing situation, so I'll keep you posted as more details come in. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching and stay informed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching and stay informed.